Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Cook Like a Man. I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. And in today's video, we're making a firm favorite in my house, cottage pie. Now before we get into that, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, tell me what you think about this cottage pie. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to start off with our potatoes, and to do that we're going to pour in cold water into a pot, then season that heavily with salt before adding our potatoes. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the heat and get them into a bowl where you're going to mash them and gently add milk and butter into the potatoes. Once the potatoes are done, set them aside and get a pan nice and hot where you're going to pour in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 full onion, some green pepper, red peppers and yellow peppers. Saute that on high heat till they become nice and translucent, then add your minced beef. Mix everything together before adding your seasoning. The spices that I've used will be listed in the description below, or you can just use your favorite spice mix. Then add 2 grated tomatoes and let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes while occasionally stirring. And lastly, we're going to add mixed vegetables, then cover with the lid and cook for 3 minutes, then remove from the heat. Lightly coat the bottom of your pan with butter so that your pie doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Spread the potato mash in the pan and just make sure that the potato mash is evenly spread with even thickness throughout the pan. Add your minced beef and veggie filling, then top that with some nice cheddar cheese. Then bake that for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Let your cottage pie cool down for at least 10 minutes before serving. Yo guys, I hope you saw how easy it is to make cottage pie, because it is that easy to make it. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on some amazing cooking content. Leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.